Hey everyone. If you want to add your work experience properly in resume.com to make your resume look professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add experience in resume.com in 2026. First, sign into resume.com and open your resume editor. This is where you can edit all your resume sections easily. Next, go to the experience section. This is where you add all your previous job roles. Now, enter your job title and company name. This helps recruiters quickly understand your work background. Then add your job duration. I mean, include the start and end dates so employers know how long you worked there. Next, write your job responsibilities. Use short bullet points and focus on your main tasks. Try to add achievements as well. This makes your experience stronger and more impressive to employers. Finally, keep everything simple and relevant. Only include jobs related to the position you are applying for. Hey everyone,